Why your chatbot isn't converting leads. Top 5 conversion issues and how to fix them. First, a lack of clear strategy often undermines chatbot performance. Without defined goals, target audiences, and measurable KPIs, chatbots become aimless, confusing users and failing to deliver results. A well-defined strategy focusing on specific objectives and key performance indicators is very important to achieve success. Second, a poor user experience significantly impacts conversion rates. Clunky conversation flows, confusing language, and a failure to understand user intent all lead to frustration and abandonment. Thorough user testing, ensuring clear and concise communication, and providing clear options are essential for creating a positive user experience. Third, insufficient lead nurturing and follow-up hinder conversions. Simply capturing leads isn't enough. Engaging with them through targeted follow-up messages, emails, or SMS is important for maintaining interest and guiding them through the sales funnel. Fourth, ignoring user intent and questions directly impacts conversion. If a chatbot fails to understand and accurately respond to user inquiries, leads will be lost. Investing in robust natural language processing and machine learning, ensuring accurate intent recognition and helpful responses is important. Lastly, a lack of integration and automation creates a fragmented experience. A chatbot operating in isolation without seamless connections to other marketing tools and CRM systems hinders efficient lead management and follow-up. Integrating the chatbot with marketing automation, CRM, and email marketing tools streamlines the process and improves conversion rates. Addressing these 5 key areas through careful planning, testing, and ongoing optimization is essential for maximizing chatbot effectiveness.